deal.
The 2 deal. Oh, well, I got the
Yeah,
3.
Applebee's was good today. JoJo's birthday. JoJo is 11 today, born on September the 11th. Then my daughter is going to be 21 on September the 13th. So
Wow.
yeah, so we got I mean, when the Gaines family goes to the Applebee's for the celebration, we checked JoJo out of school, so it was a special day for him, and he got to go to Applebee's, and he got him a 6 ounce steak, medium, and it was nice and pink. If anybody eats a well done steak, you're no friend of mine. I really, best cousin was dating this fella, and he come over and I was cooking him steaks, and I said, "How you like your steak?" "Well done." I said, "This will never last. This will never last." Thank you, Brandy. Brandy said, "Happy birthday, JoJo." He said, "Thank you." So JoJo having a birthday today. Yeah, I'm upset about this Charlie Kirk thing. That is just the most horrible, horrific thing I've ever seen. And to actually see on Twitter the assassination, I can't get that out of my mind. And Beth told me yesterday, she said, "You got to quit watching this. It's just getting me really down." And I just thought, golly, Pete, y'all. I mean, I don't like Hillary Clinton, right? But do I want somebody assassinating Hillary Clinton? Lord, no. Lord, no. Good Lord, can we not just have a civil discourse, regardless of which side you're on? It's just so sad, though. Just really sad. And, you know, one of my, I say, quote unquote, friends on Facebook is posting Charlie Kirk videos today. And he,
out of refusing to show
I'm fixing to have to delete him as a friend. He's celebrating that he's dead. And it's just sad. Very sad. I don't know what's wrong with this country. The more I think about it, the more I just want to lock myself in my house and stay in my house and do my thing. And I don't know. It's just incredibly sad. So anyway, but let's don't talk about the sad stuff. Let's talk about the good stuff. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got Mark in the house. We got Brad in the house. We got Brandy in the house. We got Mo in the house. We got Vicky in the house with a Y out in California. So we are all over the world, y'all. We are all over the world, and we are taking a spanking in the market today. It is up, y'all, and I'm not used to being down on an up day, but sometimes our little call positions get squeezed a little bit. So we'll see how those are doing. So we're up 0.75% on the E-minis. We're up 0.6% on the NASDAQ, and looks like the volume is a little low. Look how many of the candles are under 2,000 contracts. So on low float, it's like we have a really big up move. The VIX is down to 14.86. The AD 376, very strong. The AD high was 393. AD low only 241. Let's look at our volume profile. And we're not surprised at anything that we see on volume profile, right? Because we're saying that we're probably going up to the 66.38. And we are at that 65.90 area right now. And probably on track at some point to go to the 66.38. Wouldn't surprise us. We could probably tag this first, then go up. Nothing surprises us, but this looks kind of neutral to bullish to me. It looks really neutral to bullish. Let's look at our linear regression. Linear regression. What did we say? Small candle, small candle, small candle, small candle, big candle. And going up in our 45-degree. Nothing is surprising here. This looks very bullish as well. So let's go look at our house of pain today. And this is something we never experienced when we were just doing the 111s. So we're down $76 today, not much. But let's see, this is at 36 days. This one is up. The 111's doing what the 111's doing. That's up 89%. Our strangle is down $76 on the day. Waka waka. But still, let's see, 66.46. We're still out of the money on our call. So everything looks really good there. Remember, you don't take them off unless it's a 200% loser. This is down 3%. No big deal. 1117th. This has got 50 days on it. That's up 39% on the naked. We're up 54% on the whole thing. 111/5. Now, here we go. We got 84% on that one, so we could probably be talking about taking that one off. 116 doing good. This one is up 81%, so that's doing good. This one, here's the one we need to take off, y'all, is the 111 right here is up 81%. This one's up 92%. So we've been leaving those on a little couple of extra days. This is up $2.62. So we could easily take off this 19-day naked put. But let me tell you why I may let it go another day or two. Okay. Is with this market grinding up as it is, if I take this off, what happens to my deltas? Well, my deltas get even more shorter. And I'm trying to keep delta neutrality. So my deltas would on this up move, my deltas are now negative 18, which means I would actually profit from a down move. Okay. So I'm thinking that in our theta, if I took that off, would lower my theta. We are at 0.001, 36 on a $36,000 account. So there's really nothing for me to do. So does everybody see why I'm saying I'm not going to close it? If I closed it, my delta would be even greater negative. I don't necessarily want that. And it would hurt my theta, and I want my theta to be 0.001. So there's really nothing to do. We got $929 of extrinsic value, and we're using 36% of our buying power. So everything looks really good. Let's look and see how our little things look here. So we can see, yeah, you see we're squeezing up against these two calls, right? That's our problem. But I don't think that there's any worry to that. I mean, if we lose, we lose. But we'll try to. And it's good having negative deltas as well. We like negative deltas because that helps us in the event of a big down move. So we're pushing up against the calls, and Mark is experiencing a little bit of pain today on the call side as well. And but that's why we want to keep our naked puts on right here, because we can absorb a little bit of move to the downside. But I don't think there's anything to do here. But it does make me keep questioning why we do sell calls sometimes, because and Tasty's done research that shows that selling calls and selling strangles is greater than selling puts, but a lot of times they're going to be challenged. A lot of times they're going to be challenged. So I think we're good today. And I just wanted to make sure I reiterate why I'm not closing the puts. I'm going to keep them there. Don't want our deltas to be even more negative, and don't want my theta to drop. All right, y'all, that's it. And Mark's going to hang around for a little bit, I think. And everybody, I will see y'all tomorrow.